So now, here are the AirPods. The moment we've all been waiting for. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Before we get this video started, I'm gonna need y'all to do me one huge favor. Just one. Be sure to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Be sure to hit the bell on the side of the subscribe button because you want to make sure you get all my notifications. Because when your girl puts a video up, you want to make sure that you get the notifications, right? Like, the Choc Squad wouldn't be the Choc Squad without you. So, yeah, do that, please. And be sure to talk to me in the comments. Today's video is an unboxing on the AirPods 2. Super excited about these. Y'all know I am an Apple enthusiast. I love all things Apple. And of course, it wouldn't be me if I didn't bring you guys the Apple products that I received. Now, Apple is not sponsoring, endorsing, or anything of that nature yet, but shameless tag, shameless plug. Maybe y'all want to sponsor the kid because just why not? Anyways, so if you guys are interested in seeing what I have inside this box and unboxing these Apple AirPods 2 with wireless charging capabilities, then keep on watching because I got something for you. Alrighty, so it's already enough that I have the Apple AirPods Series 1 right here. So this is what they look like, and I'm going to compare the new ones to the old. I mean, why not? So, some fun facts about the Apple AirPods. One, they're white. So if you have earwax, which every human being in the world has earwax, you're gonna get your earpods dirty. So don't expect anything different from this series. So if you got some alcohol wipes or baby wipe or even a wet rag, yeah, because they get pretty grody. Now, the longest relationship that I've ever been in would have to be with these Apple AirPods. And that has been 1 year. Girl, you know how hard it is to like keep a hold of these? Like, do you understand going through multiple states, cities, towns, airports, highways, byways, you name it. And I've been able to hold on to these AirPods for a whole year, okay? But what had happened was I went to New Orleans. I was visiting some friends down there. I was visiting a friend and then some other friends, and my friends became their friends, and we kicked it for that weekend, right? So what happened was I thought that I had misplaced at least one of the AirPods while I was down there. But I didn't realize till after I'd already purchased the new ones that I really didn't misplace the AirPod like I thought. But that's neither here nor there, sweetie, because I have both now. I wanted my AirPods quickly, expeditiously, immediately. Not immediately, immediately. So therefore, I hooked up with my Verizon store and had them FedEx them. Moving on, let's get back to this unboxing of the Apple AirPods. So, like I said, cute little FedEx box. I don't know how else they send them. Mine was sent through Verizon. I ordered them online. And the cool thing about it is if you don't want to pay for them up front, you can just add them to your bill, girl. You sure can. Add them to your bill. Now, here's a little tidbit. They want you to pay them on the next bill, but if you work a little payment arrangement, they got you. They got you. Yeah. Just, you know, work it out. I mean, because these things are not cheap. And if you're a woman on a budget, a man on a budget, a child on a budget, anybody on a budget, these AirPods are not cheap. So therefore, yeah, work you out a little payment arrangement. You know, because the phone bill itself could be high. They cost $199.97, and I needed my things shipped to me next day by 10:30 a.m., which is an additional $14.99. So my total came out to, drum roll please, $230.01. So now, here are the AirPods. The moment we've all been waiting for. okay? And if I've been saying AirPods the whole time. It might sound like I'm saying earpods, but I'm saying air. I'm just excited. So if y'all get up in these comments trying to tell me it's AirPods, okay, so is your mom. So this is the box. It's very pretty. So the front just displays, kind of hard to see because I have lighting, but it just shows the 2 AirPods. Now we're gonna take the plastic off. Make sure that when you get your AirPods, I recommend them, don't get them from the boy off Instagram selling AirPods. Don't do that, because that might not be beneficial to you. It's better if you just go directly through Apple or go through your Verizon store, or Sprint may even do it. I'm not sure of the other service providers who offer the service, but it'll be worth it to just go ahead and go on through them. They got the plastic on here tight. I don't know who was doing the rapping, but baby, you the best rapper alive, shawty. So for all my ASMR folks, maybe y'all get your little jollies to this. You hear that? Okay. So this is the box. It's nice and smooth, and oh, the AirPods on the front of the box are raised. This is what it looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it very well, but doing my best. As I said before, on the side is the serial number. Tells you that it's designed in California, made in China, and a little barcode. And it tells you right here that it is compatible with an iOS device, Apple Watch, or Mac with the latest software. Works with Qi certified chargers. Ow! Y'all better. And then this tells you that this is the Apple Airpods with wireless charging case. Okay. Okay. So now let's open her on up. Ooh. So it says designed in California. Comes with instructions right here. So now, there she goes. Oh, she fell. There she is. Hey, girl. All right. So this is what it looks like. Woo! Nothing like a fresh pair of AirPods with nice icy white case. Word to Sweetie. And the case is actually different, noticeably. It's got the little plastic. Let me pull it off. Yeah, it's noticeably different. So this is the Series 1 and this is the Series 2, right? Ooh, you can tell how much whiter these are. Oh my God. Even the silver is different. I don't know if it's because of wear and tear or whatever, but I like it. And to me, the cases are just a tad bigger than one another. So the Series 2 is sizably larger than this one, Series 1. So let's look at the back. The buttons are different. The button on the Series 1 is below. This is the pairing button. And the button on the Series 2 is noticeably higher, about an inch or two. See? If you look at the front, you won't really be able to tell the difference unless you look very closely. And the distinct difference between the two is that this one has the light on the front. It has like a LED indicator, which will tell you if the charging case is low, if it's fully charged. If it indicates that it's red, that means that it needs to be charged. And if it's in green, it means you're pretty good to go. It can sustain a charge for pretty long. Now, let's open them up. Woo. Okay, so the front is white, which is telling us that we need to pair them. Oh, let's see. Let's open them up side by side, shall we? Now, I wipe these off as much as I can. You know, life goes on. So they look fairly the same. These are just fresher. I'm gonna take one out. That's the right one. And this is the left one. So of course y'all are wanting to know at this point, what's the difference between the Series 1 and the Series 2 Choc? So the biggest difference for real, y'all, is that is wireless charging case. The wireless charging case is the biggest difference. Like, woo, you can drop this right on the charger pad and she's gonna charge without you having to plug it up, which is awesome. The wireless charging devices like the pads or the stands and all those cool things, I actually have a video and I'll tag it down below in which I have 2 wireless charging stands, and I actually did a comparison to the 2 of them as to charging and which one was quicker, which one was better, yada yada, boom boom boom. So the second noticeable difference about the Apple AirPods is the indicator on the front instead of on the inside like the old one. See? And this right here will tell you if you need to pair it, if you need to charge it, or if it's completely charged. That is how you will know. Now here, you see that light on the inside, guys? That is the difference. That tells you what I just mentioned. But see, it's on the inside instead of the out. Big difference, big difference, big difference. To connect the iPhone with the latest version of iOS, follow steps 1 through 3. Number 1, turn on the Bluetooth. Check. Number 2, connect the AirPods. Open case, hold near unlocked iPhone, then follow on-screen instructions. See, I'm pairing it. Let's see if this one works. So I'm going to Bluetooth AirPods. There it is. And do they come charged? Let's see. Let's see here. So now we're gonna connect it. So you connect to your device. Oh, look at that. It's telling you how to connect on screen. Ooh, so they come 83% charged. The case, I would assume that the case is at 100%. Let's see if they sound any different. Okay, sounds pretty good. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. And let's see how number 2 sounds. I'm sure they still sound great. I'm not gonna put Sister Girl down. So this is number 2. I'm not even gonna front. The sound is noticeably louder on the new ones. Maybe because it has less earwax. Don't tell nobody I told y'all that though. And they're a little bit newer. So they might be a little super boosted. You know, a little piece of super bass. You know? Either way, they both sound wonderful. And after a year of having them, they're still ticking. But Series 2, oh yeah, she ready. So a fun fact also about these Apple AirPods is they can be used with most all Apple devices. To name a few, your Mac computers, Apple TV, Apple Watch, and your iPad. So you're not just limited as to what you can use with these on. You can use them on most Apple products. So that pretty much does it for our Apple AirPods unboxing. I want to thank y'all so much for tuning in and chilling with your girl. Be sure to please, like I can't ask y'all enough, to please thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell on the side to get all of my notifications. And be sure to comment down below because your opinions mean everything to me. I love to talk to y'all in the comments. I love seeing y'all subscribe. Like, y'all are the illest. Like, Choc Squad, we're growing. Choc Squad, y'all are like everything to me. Thank y'all, like, for real. Without you guys, my channel would not be possible. For real. Thank y'all so much. I love you guys to pieces, and I can't wait to see y'all again on my next one. Bye. See you next time.